2, 1. Ready or not, here I come to the library for the summer reading program with a chance for
great prizes.
Found you.
Did someone say great prizes?
Found you too.
We don't want to hide. We want to be found
At the library.
Are you ready to level up at your library? Whether you love board games, video games, or you're a sports fan, our summer reading program is all about reading, playing games, and having fun. So let's explore the world of games.
What a treat. The summer reading program starts June 7th.
Delicious! And you don't even need a library card.
Do you know what you have to do for the summer reading program?
No, let's ask Miss Carrie and Miss Megan.
All you have to do is read a little. Or a lot.
each day. And you can earn cool prizes.
Everyone who finishes the program gets a free book to keep forever.
But be sure to finish before August 10th, when the program ends.
Remember, you can earn amazing prizes, and you don't even need a library card. Introducing the DPL Cup.
Did you hear about the DPL Cup? Yes, the school with the highest percentage of students who complete the summer reading program wins the DPL Cup for a year.
Show your school spirit by finishing the summer reading program.
So get on your marks, get set, get ready to
read!
Students, if you finish the summer reading program, you have a chance to win the grand prize of a year's membership at one of these awesome museums, a 6-month STEM kit subscription, a Nintendo Switch Lite, or a Nintendo Switch prize pack. There will be 3 lucky grand prize winners from each program. Visit us in person or go to our website to get more information. All you need to do is read a little and do fun activities. Be sure to level up your game this summer at the Deerfield Public Library.